I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. The day has finally come. We got all the dogs with us, literally. The day's finally come after how many months? 6, 7 months. Finally get my car back. It's finally done. I thought I was never gonna get it back. I know some of you thought I sold it. But I hate to break it to you. That's not happening. But we're on our way to the shop right now. It's like, what is it, 7:30 in the morning. I'm tired. We're in traffic in Brooklyn, of course, regular. But yeah, I got, I'm gonna tell you everything that I did later on. I'm not gonna tell you how much it costs because I don't want to make you cry like I am. But yeah, we back. Pedal to the metal. More videos coming. Back on the road. I just gotta go to DMV. That's the last shit I gotta do. And then I'm done. And then we outside for real. But I'll get back with y'all when I get there. Hopefully he's there on time. I'll be there on time, I think. But yeah. Hey. Dogs. Oh, a lot of y'all probably think like, what's wrong with it? Like, why did you get the car? Like, there was nothing wrong with it. I think something got messed up in transport. I don't know. It was on a truck for like 5 days. And then also going from Texas car to New York car, like it was cold, the winter, I don't know. I think shit just got fucked up. And the wiring, you know, I just decided to get the whole thing just rewired and other things. I'll tell you about it later, but I'll be back. All right, peace. We made it, y'all. We made it. Huh? Alright. We made it. We made it. Shout out to Roger to come open a shop for me on a Sunday. Definitely a good guy. Yep. Good morning. I appreciate you. We gotta check out the shop truck. The shop truck. Yeah, this is shop truck. This shit is fire. I don't know. I think it's a Honda. I think. New Hope. There she is. I can't believe it. It's real. Good morning. How you doing, bro?
Good. How are you?
Good. Damn.
Filming it?
Nah, yeah, my YouTube. Yeah, I told you. Remember it? Yeah. Damn. There it is. Oh, what's this?
Third.
We gotta look at something. It's over here. It's over here too. There she is. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, man. Here it is. Thanks.
shit look clean. Thank you, boss.
Later, boy. Take care.
Shit, my bad.
I'm going to gas station. Yeah? I'm going to gas station.
Okay. I'll meet you over there.
Yeah. Yeah. We in that thing. We riding that thing. We in that old school. I'm telling you, it's nothing like it, baby. We back. We back. We are back. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I need to find a gas station. We getting that first drive footage right now. I drove a million cars. There's nothing like driving in the old school. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. I promise you. Nothing like it. When I get all the way right, I'm gonna get some people's, let some people drive, get their reaction. Shit like that. I mean, stuff like that. But yeah, man, I'm excited. 7 months, we've been waiting for this day. We driving back home. We're gonna take it nice and easy. Just got some gas. I gotta get a new dash, Oh, you can't really see it probably, but. I don't know if you can see. We just gonna ride. We don't got no music. We got nothing. We just. All engine, baby, all LS. Let me back up my automatic seats real quick. We navigating these New York City potholes. Ooh. Ooh. Go. Can't wait. It's just the beginning. We're getting started now. Now we can move on, start tweaking other things. Now we could, now we in motion. We in Brooklyn right now. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. engine, yeah. That American muscle. Just drove past the cops for the first time. They not hating, so that's all love. That's all love. That's always a plus. It's a beautiful day out though. I hope y'all having a good one, cause I definitely am. It's the best day in a while. Just dropped it off. We back. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna drive safely. I don't wanna be recording the whole time. But yeah, man, first drive, we back. We in Brooklyn. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that. J Hill TV. Tune in at Rockstar87Box, Instagram, tap in. And we in motion. I don't know if you hear my voice, you hear the energy. I'm feeling good. I needed this. I think I needed this. I needed it more than I realized. I didn't just want it, I needed it. Needed it. Alright, I'll be back soon. Peace. Yeah, I just want to check back in. We on Eastern Parkway. You already know. As soon as I pull up, it's a fire. He gave the thumbs up. He love it. He gave the thumbs up. He love it. Yeah, I'm in my mood right now. Like, this shit got me. I might flip the camera so you can see me smiling. I'm in my mood now. This is what I needed it. I needed it. All I can say is stay down till you come up. This shit, it's not over. But we here. The sunroof. Got my boy Dave in the back tailing me. Man, my fault, y'all. I just got mad quiet. Like, I'm just so happy right now. I was just soaking it all in. Like, this don't even feel real. This is my first car, I love cars. It's my first car. Like, I've been waiting for this shit my whole life. Feel me? Like, I had old school since I was a kid. I always picked out the old school cars. Like, it's just in me. Like, pause. Like, it's what it is. Like. So I'm just happy. I appreciate y'all for joining me on this journey. We just getting started. Stay tuned. Gotta get this fixed. It's cracked. Don't worry about it. Gotta get a lot fixed. We still going, but we working on the inside out. Working on the heartbeat first. Make sure the heartbeat's right. Then we work on the cosmetics and all that. We gotta get the air fixed. Gotta get the heat fixed and all that. Feel me? Thank you. Another person right here in the the Benz. He said he was feeling it. He gave a peace sign. I need to get my Instagram on my car. I need a sticker. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, show love, show some hate. It don't matter. It's all love. We made it, y'all. Just took a 40-minute drive. My longest drive yet. We out here. We out here. Nigga, we made it. Yes, sir. We made it. How we looking out there? Definitely. Damn, I appreciate you. Yeah, I was moving a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna wait out here for parking, I guess. Yeah. Maybe somebody can get it to me. What you about to do? Alright, I'll be back, y'all. I need to look for parking and shit now. But yeah, just took the first drive. I'm gonna tap in a little bit when I get back in the car. Alright, peace. What's going on, gang? We back. What's going on? We back. Just wanted to give y'all a little update, a little preview of what I got done. I got a whole new wiring harness. Huh? Thank you, I appreciate it. I got a 87. Yeah. Oh, you do? Oh yeah, I would love to see that one day, yeah. But yeah, so I got all new I got a new radiator. Oh shit, probably shouldn't touch that, it's hot. New fans, hoses, you know, a whole new wiring harness, so it's still a little messy, but it's a lot cleaner than it was before. It's a custom piece, took like months to make, and then there was some hiccups, and shit just happens, man. But you know, we here now, that's all that matters. But this is day one, first drive, number one. You know, wanted to take y'all along with me. It's been a long ride already, and we're just getting started. I'm already exhausted, but yeah, this building old school shit is not for the weak. We're looking a little cleaner now. I love this stainless, chromed out shit right here. Big hoses, big radiator. You know, you need that new radiator for the traffic, for the idle. You can't have, you know, I got this big engine. I need the proper fans and proper radiator, so I wasn't cutting off. That was the problem I was having before. So, you know, we just fixed that. And yeah, we here. Now I just need to find parking. But yeah, man, stay tuned. We're gonna be recording videos, you know, at least every few days now, at least once a week I'm trying to drop, but stay with me. Stay with me as I try to, you know, figure all this out. But yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend, you feel me? And I'll see y'all next time.